Welcome to the ultimate cosmic mystery. Imagine falling into a black hole. At first, everything seems normal. But as you get closer, time slows down. Light stretches, space itself bends around you. And then, you cross the event horizon. No turning back, no escape. But what happens next? Do you get crushed into an infinitely small point? Spit out into another universe? Or does reality itself glitch into something beyond our understanding? Today, we're diving into the greatest unsolved mystery in the cosmos. What's inside a black hole? A black hole's event horizon is the ultimate one-way door. Once you cross it, nothing, not even light, can escape. But what happens beyond this cosmic boundary? General relativity predicts that everything collapses to a single, infinitely small point, the singularity. But infinities don't usually exist in nature, which means something deeper must be going on. At the heart of a black hole, according to Einstein's equations, is a singularity, a point of infinite density where space and time cease to exist as we know them. But here's the problem. Infinities are usually a sign that a theory is incomplete. That's where quantum mechanics enters the picture. Instead of a singularity, some physicists suggest the core of a black hole is a chaotic quantum realm, a place where space and time fluctuate wildly, known as quantum foam. This would mean that black holes aren't infinitely dense, but instead ultra-compact objects governed by quantum forces we don't yet understand. What if falling into a black hole isn't the end, but a beginning? Some solutions to Einstein's equations suggest black holes might be connected to white holes, objects that only spit out matter, never absorbing anything. If true, black holes might not just destroy matter, they could be gateways to other parts of the cosmos, or even entirely new universes. A radical idea called the Planck star hypothesis suggests that instead of collapsing forever, matter inside a black hole reaches an ultra-dense state and then slowly bounces back due to quantum gravity effects. Over trillions of years, the black hole could shrink and eventually explode, releasing everything it once consumed. Here's a mind-bending thought. What if there's no inside at all? Some versions of string theory suggest that everything happening inside a black hole is actually encoded on its event horizon. This means black holes might not be three-dimensional objects as we think, but holograms where reality itself is rewritten on the surface. So what's really inside a black hole? Right now, we don't know. Each of these theories challenges the limits of our understanding. But one thing is certain, solving this mystery could unlock new physics, maybe even the long-sought theory that unites gravity and quantum mechanics once and for all. Black holes aren't just cosmic mysteries, they're cosmic paradoxes, and somewhere inside them, the secret to the universe's deepest laws might be waiting. Until then, all we can do is explore, question, and push the boundaries of what we know. Subscribe to Infinite Narratives for more cosmic mysteries.